Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This side this, and today we will learn about features number and feature ID in cryoparametric. If you see this feature number and feature ID, they are very fast changing. ID you can check 1, 3, 5, 7, and 40. Suddenly, when we use this feature extrude, it changes to 40, feature ID number 40, and feature number 1, 2, 3, 4, it is gradually changing. So what is the difference between feature number and feature ID? Today we will learn about this two things in cryoparametric. Okay, and we will get started with very basic model. In this model we have an extrusion. Look, we have an extrusion of this front surface. I would say this is for front plane. Okay, here I am using hidden lines to understand how this feature was created. So already I have 4 feature already in my template. This 4 feature I will show. This one, right, top, and front, and this is coordinate system. Okay, these 4 feature I always already have in that my template, and we have created one extrude feature which has a feature number 5 and feature ID 40. Suddenly when we create any feature except this template features, this feature ID suddenly increase. Why? Let's check and how it is working and what is the difference. Okay, Creo will not reuse feature IDs. We can tell it to remap an ID, but Creo will not reuse them. If you carefully see, this cube has 6 surfaces. This is first surface, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. This lower one, right click. This is query selected. If you want to select back side of this surface, then right click. This is called query selection. Okay, so total 6 surface, 8 vertices. This is vertices 1. I will show you what is the vertices. What I am calling this. This is the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, and this 4 here. Total 8 vertices, 6 surface, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. 12 edges means what? 12 edges? I'll show you. This is the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges here, 4 here, this side, below side, and this side. So 4, 4, 8 plus 4, 12. Total 6 surface, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. So this cube is made with this. So when we want to do some round features, apply some round features, then you can see the references for edge. They have selected feature number 5 extrude 1, but they have different IDs here, and for this also they have selected the same feature number 1, feature number 5 extrude 1, but ID is different. Okay. If you want to see feature ID with feature number, then you go File, Option, Configure Editor, Find. So here we add one more configuration, that is show underscore selected underscore item underscore ID. If it is no, say yes. Okay. Now you can see any, if you select any surface, then you corresponding see feature number and their particular ID. For example, here ID is 43. If we select this surface, then ID 48, this surface ID 55. So you can see feature number is same, but ID for each features is different. Even if we go inside the sketch, here we can also see the features ID of the sketch. Look, line ID 6, this is line ID 7, line ID 8, line ID 5. So in this way we can check our features ID associated with that. If I delete this geometry and look, this entity is referred to as selected, cut is yes, and add new features, some like one line, and say okay. Then you see this round has been failed, this complete features has been failed. One notification is also coming against this feature ID 68. So if I edit this round, then I can see this edge ID 15, ID number 58 is missing, this one. And if I right click and remove this ID, then you can see now now there is no error coming in our part model and these features. So now you have an idea, when create new features, then it creates new ID also. It never repeat IDs. Okay, that is all about the feature number and feature ID.